Hi, Papa Yeager here with This Day in History. February 27th, 1922. In the Supreme Court case, Lesser versus Garnett, the Supreme Court upholds the 19th Amendment, which was the women's right to vote. Oscar Lessing was a prominent lawyer in Baltimore, and he sued because he wanted to remove women from the voting rolls in Maryland. The Maryland state constitution did not give women the right to vote. And he claimed that the amendment undermined Maryland's law by allowing women to vote when Maryland did not ratify the 19th Amendment. In order for an amendment to take effect and to be added to the Constitution, it needs to be passed in Congress by 2/3 vote. Then it goes to the states. Only 3/4, only 75% of the states need to ratify the amendment for it to become an amendment. That means it can become law. It can become the law of the land, added to the Constitution, federal law, as long as 75% of the states ratify it. That means they all don't have to, but then they still have to follow the law. Maryland dug in. They did not actually ratify the 19th Amendment until 1958. But it didn't matter because in the court case, Lesser versus Garnett, the Supreme Court said you still have to allow women to vote. It had been a long fight, a long struggle for women to gain that right. And the court case, it was unanimous. The entire Supreme Court said, yeah, the 19th Amendment, it's the law. It has to be upheld. Women are going to be voting from now on. I just hope in the next year or two, our government doesn't take us even further back and try to limit voting rights for anybody. Anyway, that's This Day in History, February 27th, 1922. The Supreme Court upholds the 19th Amendment, allowing women to vote.